June the 29th, 6 a.m., we switch off the Large Hadron Collider for 4 years. We're replacing about 1.2 kilometers of the 27-kilometer ring with the high luminosity LHC magnets. This will give us a machine that's 10 times brighter than the Large Hadron Collider, 10 times more data, so it really is an opportunity to explore the universe in a way we haven't done before. And what that does is when the particles come around and then we bend them towards each other, if you make the bunches of protons smaller and smaller, you get many, many more collisions. You concentrate everything in the same place. That's what these super high field magnets are doing. Installing this is a massive task. It's by far the biggest thing that CERN has done for the last 20 years. And what we're doing here in this building is this is a test ring. We're testing the technology, and it's much easier to test it here rather than in the confined spaces of the LHC tunnel. And we've already learned some really critical information about some of the design of this. We've updated the design based on our tests. And it's amazing to be here today that this is now operating, it's at its operating temperature of 1.9 Kelvin. So this is a superconducting liquid helium system operating at 1.9 Kelvin. That was a massive milestone for us in this project. So we're now confident that when we go underground and start installing the high luminosity Large Hadron Collider, we will be successful. We know what we're doing. We've tested the installation procedures here.
On June 29th, 2026, one of the most powerful machines ever built is scheduled to go silent. CERN is shutting down the Large Hadron Collider. But why? It's part of CERN's planned Long Shutdown 3, or LS3. Scientists are pausing operations to perform major upgrades to transform the collider into the high luminosity Large Hadron Collider. These upgrades are expected to increase the number of particle collisions by roughly 10 times, allowing researchers to study the Higgs boson and other fundamental particles with greater precision. What's fascinating is CERN is shutting down at a time when researchers are still investigating unusual particle behavior and some of the biggest unanswered questions in physics: dark matter, dark energy, and what lies beyond the standard model. So CERN isn't ending, it's evolving. The real question is, when the collider comes back on in 2030, what will it discover that we can't even imagine today?